Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check your laptop specs Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to check your laptop specs Windows 11 from the console. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Press Run as administrator and click Yes to access. In the terminal, run the command systeminfo and press Enter. You can have access to all the details of your laptop in a summary. Chapter 2. How to check your laptop specs Windows 11 from settings. To start, press Start and open Settings. When accessing, in the System section, click on About located at the bottom. After that, in the Device Specifications field, you will be able to see all the details of your laptop. Chapter 3. How to check your laptop specs Windows 11 using system information. To begin, in the search box, enter MSInfo32. Click on System Information. Now, in the System Summary section, you can find every detail of your laptop, which is ideal to have full access to this information. Chapter 4. How to check your laptop specs Windows 11 from PowerShell. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click on Run as administrator and select Yes to open it. After this, in the terminal, execute the command Get-ComputerInfo. Press Enter to have all the details of your team in the terminal. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.